Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both your Mac and the TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network, and Airplay must be enabled on the TV. Once done, check Mac OS updates so compatibility is current, and note the TV's Airplay name. This is what you'll select. Next, open System Settings Displays or the Control Center on Mac OS, because you'll use the screen mirroring or Airplay menu to initiate the connection. Make sure Bluetooth is on for discovery if needed. Now you initiate the connection. Open Control Center or click the Airplay icon in the menu bar and select the TV name you noted earlier. You can choose to mirror the built-in display or use the TV as a separate display for more screen real estate. Choose based on whether you need the same view or a second desktop. Make sure to switch system audio output to the TV in sound settings so video has sound, and scale resolution if the display looks off to preserve sharpness. To finish, confirm the Airplay connection by playing a short video and listening for audio. Verify sync and responsiveness. If the TV prompts for an Airplay code, type it into your Mac. This secures the link. If you experience lag or dropouts, make sure both devices are close to the router, reduce the Mac's mirrored resolution, or switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both the TV and Mac if discovery or authentication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.